Well, boys, we may have a problem. Let me see if I can show you. Ugh. Come on, light. You see that down there, that puddle? That smells like fuel, which means I think one of my rubber lines on the bottom is leaking. So what are we gonna do? Take the intake manifold off and replace it. Duh. Honestly, I didn't really want to take the intake manifold off, but I also don't want to blow my car up, so I think that's gonna be Friday night's project. Let's fucking do it. Yes, sir, boys. Look at this. Intake manifold officially out. This manifold is honestly being a pain in the dick today. Boom, come peep this. Whoop, whoop. This is the leaking culprit that I had. Fuel pressure regulator, yeah, my hands are all black right now, was leaking from this hose. But here's the thing. This car is 16 years old, dude. If you take the time to take your manifold off and you're replacing a hose, you better fucking replace all of them while you're down here. Don't even waste your time taking this apart if you're only gonna replace one hose. There's so many old rubber hoses around here, they're all gonna leak eventually. So if you pull this shit off, just make sure you get enough to replace everything. Fresh regulator. Old regulator. Only wore once to a party. BNDS, right near dead stock. Dead stock right here as fuck. Only open the packaging to take a video of. We have an update. I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but she's alive! And she's running A1 so far, so hopefully it stays like that. And we also have a visitor. Hey fam! Hey fam. She's on, she's running. No check engine lights, normal idle. Give it a little rev. Yep, she's good. Now on to the next activities. Oh, my camera's not focusing on me. Focus on me, camera. Okay, let me go double content inception. Hey fam. Hey fam. Where's your camera, fam? Right there, fam. Conception. Fam's back on YouTube. You know his link already. Hit him up. This is the first step. First thing after fixing the STI, what we're doing. Look at this fresh fucking
the difference.
Filter. Look at
20,000 miles.
20,000 miles on that filter, you didn't clean it once.
Nope.
Oh well, now you got an extra one to clean.
I know. Now I gotta go home and clean this bad boy.
I told Twinkie's channel this. Let me tell you guys the life hacks right now. If you only have one filter, buy another one. Why do you buy another one if they're reusable? Because it takes 24 hours for that thing to dry. I don't think you want to be carless for 24 hours unless you're not gonna go anywhere, like I usually don't. But either way, it's always nice to have an extra one on hand in case something happens to it or it gets too dirty or some shit. You could, you got extras. Huh?
Double vlog, fam.
Hey fam.
One time, hey fam.
Look at me, I'm broke. I got wired AirPods. Ooh. You gotta pull it open.
Pull it back?
Yeah, pull it back. Like, there, you see how it didn't move or no?
Yeah.
And there's one on each side. So just pull both of them back like that. And the bulb should shoot straight up.
Okay, pull both back.
There you go. And that's how you get a bulb off. Easy. Fresh LED bulb. Wait, hold on. Don't put it back yet. Before you put it back, test it. Last thing for me to do, STI strut tower bar back on. Boom. Just like that. The STI is officially back in one piece. So we're done for now. I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit. I started it for a few minutes, but I'm gonna let it cool off completely before I top up the coolant because I don't want any air bubbles to get in. I don't have my spill-free frontal. Yep actually has it, so. I think if you're a Subaru owner, you know exactly what I'm talking about with the whole spill-free funnel. That's how you properly fucking burp the system. They had to use a pressure washer the damn here recording, right? That's how you properly burp the system. Spill-free funnel, place it on your top reservoir for coolant, let it burp and bleed in for like a few minutes, and that's it. Easy as that. Oh, they turned the pressure washer off too. Heard me complain. Boom. Next thing on the agenda, Twinkie's lip. Bambino's finishing up the last of the fog lights. We got the filter swapped out. Do the lip, oil change for the STI, and then we are out of here finally. Shit. Me so horny. Me love you a long time. This is your basic polyurethane lip. I always tell people, if you're not getting carbon, buy a poly lip. And do you want to know why? Doesn't matter if you buy an OEM Subaru one or if you buy an eBay one. They're all gonna take the same kind of beating. I'm not even joking. Like, I always tell people if they're gonna buy a poly lip, I might do just buy an eBay one, 50 bucks. The odds of you breaking these things are pretty fucking slim. I've slammed my lips against curbs and shit when I was being dumb, and nothing's ever happened to them. Another tip, don't ever use this cheap ass Chinese tape that comes with these fucking things. Trust me, just don't. Damn fam, back at it with the new setup. Ooh. LED headlights, LED fog lights. Yo, new lip. Who this? Ooh, I told fam he just needs some side skirts and some rear spats.
Yes, sir.
Maybe some rain guards too.
Maybe.
STI, jack stands, oil change time, baby, and then we're out of here. STI is running. Man, this was something else, but we got the oil change done. Coolant's topped off. Twinkie got his mods done. I mean, shit. I don't know. Let's see what happens the rest of the day. I got Twinkie in the background talking on the phone. Woo! I look like a goon with my beanie on right now. I need to fix it. I'm about to hit the road. See where we end up next. Oh my goodness, boys! It's a wet and rainy day in California. Ah! Let me tell you guys a secret though. If you watched, I don't know what order these videos are gonna go in. I might just put this one before the video that has content from the same day because it's still Wednesday. If you watch the video that has the what the fuck would I be doing in that video? Fixing my fuel leak and installing mods in Twinkie's car. If you watch that video, this is the same day. I don't know if that, I'm pretty sure that video is gonna go up later because this video is really exciting. I want to upload it quick. It should be exciting, I hope. If everything goes according to plan, someone's buying a Subaru. Someone is buying a Subaru. We gotta drive an hour, but it's gonna be worth it. I'm not the one driving. We're taking another STI. We're gonna see two people on the channel today that you haven't seen in a long time. Still really good friends. They just, you know, life kicks your ass sometimes. Life kicks everyone's ass sometimes. You get busy, but we're still all cool. You know, we're all just talking right now on a fucking three-way call. And it's time to go meet up at someone's house. I don't want to say their name because you're gonna see when we get there. Oh, look at that sexy ass car. Wait, you hear that though? Oh yeah!
What's up?
Oh yeah, Chins. We're back in the Adriel STI.
Yes, sir.
The boys are back in town and ready for a fucking road trip.
Oh.
Where are we landing, boys? Hayward, California. Red seatbelts. Feeling extra fucking JDM. These STI Recaros. Look at this dude. Straight flexing. I never showed you guys the inside of Adriel's car, but Adriel's a big ass flexer.
Oh yeah.
Say goodbye to the Blobby. We'll be back in a while, Blobby. Don't go anywhere. Bleep. Bleep. Oh, call me Chins. Adriel, you okay?
Yeah, that was big.
Oh. Dude, this is one thing we do not like about rain. It's not raining really that much anymore, but this is the third accident we've seen already. People just fucking driving. There's people even flying by us, even not even slowing down for that accident. I'm like, dude, y'all are fucking dumb. Welcome to California, baby. People don't know how to drive that well. Including this guy. No.
I'm a good driver.
I'm a good driver. I'm just kidding, Adriel. I had to roast
We're
you a
getting
little
there
bit.
safe. You're alive. You're alive.
If you guys don't see this video, I didn't make it. Damn, Daddy, is this what we're taking home right now? I don't know. We're going to see. Hit that button again. Oh, oh.
One more time.
Chins, how you feeling right now?
I'm feeling extra rich, man.
I'm feeling extra rich. Let's get inside this car. Oh! Lights are off. Let's turn them on. Damn! Subaru WRX? Who is this? Who this? This Chin's right here. 2013 WRX. Let's see what's in here. Nothing in there. Okay. Is there a USB port in there? There's a USB port in there at least. Shit. What else we got? Bunch of papers. Damn, daddy. Hell yeah, I'm driving shit. Oh! I'm driving Chin's car because Chin's is not that great at driving stick. He can drive stick, but he gets like a little paranoid when he's fucking when he's like starting on inclines and if there's traffic and shit, because there probably is gonna be traffic. So he's like a little paranoid right now, but I'm like, don't worry, Chins. I got you. This is why I'm here, to fucking drive it. We already test drove it and shit. It actually rides really smooth. It has a cob cat pack on it and it sounds really, really nice. We're about to get back home. I'll probably go do a little mobbing with the boys real quick. We're gonna go pull up on some people, probably pull up on Twinkie like we did with my car reveal. Let's fucking do this, dude. Let's fucking do this.
Dude, the inside just start up, Chubbs?
Ooh. Why do all these WRX and STI gauges look orange on screen, like on camera, but they're actually red? Like they're really fucking red, but on camera they always look orange. I never understood that. Look at this rich guy here. Look at Chins. Rich Chins. Oh shit. Chin's out here buying a Subaru WRX. Look at this man's. Oh. Hold on, Adriel. I'm trying to get some clips. Damn, daddy. Adriel's like, let me get a picture from my mom.
Yeah, my mom wants to see it. My mom's his mom.
Oh my god, I got Adriel's STI, Chin's WRX, my STI at Chin's house, which we're gonna go pick up right now, baby. Hey fam. Been some 87 octane or what?
Yeah, always. It's the best.
Let's go, baby.
The cheapest.
Oh yeah. Look at that, 87 octane required in all of FA20s. Oh yes, daddy.
Yeah.
BG23, no front plate for me. Eventually, I'm gonna throw a front plate on. Oof. Damn.
Oh shit, my phone.
Oh, won't forget the mask. Won't forget the phone.
Forget the mask.
Don't forget the mask.